Have you ever felt stuck, like you just can't get out of depression, no matter what you try? The truth is, many people suffer in silence, not understanding what's happening inside their own mind, not knowing where to start, and worst of all, believing it will never get better. But let me tell you something important. It's not a lack of strength, and it's not your fault. Most people try to stay motivated or just wait for it to pass. But depression doesn't work that way. You need a clear path, a structured method, based on science, not guesswork. Now imagine having access to a step-by-step program that teaches you exactly how to understand your depression, break the negative cycle, rebuild your life from the inside out, using proven tools like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, mindfulness, behavioral activation, all developed by a licensed therapist. And the best part, you can go at your own pace. No pressure, no judgment, with full access forever. And for less than the cost of a single therapy session. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about feeling again, having energy, and finally building a life that feels worth living. If you're tired of feeling this way, click now and start your transformation today. Because getting out of depression isn't impossible. You just need the right path.